This tutorial review will show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. First of all, import the photo and make a copy of the layer. I'm gonna hiding this layer and selecting upper layer and clicking on image size. Now we can change the width and height of the picture. Enter the value of width and height according to your choice and click on OK. And here you can see the image has been successfully resized. And you can take this option here, and now you can also resize this photo like this. Once done, click this tick icon. This is how we can resize an image in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.